Imagine getting paid about $5 plus whenever someone clicks on a simple link that you posted. All you did was grab a link and then post this link somewhere, and you actually get paid about $5 whenever someone makes use of that link. Sounds interesting, right? Yep. Now in this video, I'm actually going to introduce you to this website known as AdBird. Now AdBird is a website more like an affiliate bank, but this one is not the same as the generic affiliate bank where you have to make a certain amount of sale, this and that, to actually get commission. With them, you just need people to engage with your link and you are actually good to go. So now, without taking much of your time, let's get straight on my laptop. Let me actually share my screen with you and then walk you through every single thing you need to know about AdBird and how you can actually get started and then navigate their entire platform. So guys, right now we are on AdBird official website, as you can actually see right here. Now if you are interested, make sure to use the link that is available in this video description. Just check the video description and click on the link, the first link there, to actually get started with it. Now you can see AdBird affiliate marketing to monetize your audience. You can see this is basically their description. AdBird invites you to a profitable affiliate partnership. Share your unique referral link to promote their app and earn passive income from every download and purchase. You see, you will actually get paid even if someone just downloads the app, which is really interesting. No investment required to get started. So you see the process: you sign up, you get your special link, and then you start earning, as simple as that. And there are over 2,000 content creators that are actively promoting this platform. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to give you some tips on how you can actually start promoting this platform. You can see they've generated over $150,000 in daily payment out to creators that are actually promoting this. So you can come over here, what is AdBird, and then read about AdBird, and also click on the reviews to actually see some reviews from other creators that are actually promoting this program. Now if you come over here to AdBird, in order to get started, all you need to do is simply click on the sign up here. So let me just click on the sign up. I already have an account, so it might just log me in. So because I already have an account, it just logged me in. Now let me just show you the main dashboard, how it looks like, and every single thing. Now you can see these are people results that they posted here and that. Now here's the AdBird dashboard. You can see daily bonus program is alive. Now you can earn extra reward every day based on the number of new customers you bring. So other than your affiliate commission, so they pay you about $50 for every 10 new customers you bring, $20 for every $100 for every 20 new customer, and then $200 for every 30 new customer. You can see the more people you bring in, the higher your commission as well. Now in order to get started, once you sign up to this platform, all you need to do is simply come over to here. It says partnerships. Now once you click on here, now I'm in Africa, so most of us that are in Africa, we are actually going to get about just 2 or 3 programs to actually promote as the platform actually stands right now. But those of you outside Africa, mostly in the US, the UK, you are going to have a lot of options on platform that you can actually promote to make money from this platform. So if you are in Africa, these are likely the 2 platforms you are going to get. This is because these are the only platforms that I've had access to since I started using this platform. So you also might just get access to just these 2 platforms and nothing else. But most of you that view this channel know you probably live outside, so you are going to get more. So for example, when you come over here right now, you are going to see the first one here is Super Life. Now in order to promote this one, all you need to do is simply just select it and then click on it says copy link. Now this will be your unique referral link. Now you can actually use this link to promote this platform without having to stress yourself anything. Just copy this link, post this link somewhere, and when someone engages with it, you actually receive a commission for it. Or in case you don't want this platform, you can come over here. You have another one here. Now there are some platforms whereby when you switch to them, you realize that what the copy link option is not there, to be add or something else. Just click on it and then your link will be reviewed to you, as simple as that. And if you come over here, so this is where their bonus programs actually is. So over here is where they show their bonus program. So if you perform highly on this platform and you bring in a lot of customers, they are also going to give you a very decent bonus as well to actually compensate you other than your normal affiliate revenue that you've actually generated. So as you can see on your screen right now, here's some typical bonus reward. As you can see right now, you can see the first one there, $1,000, 750, 500, 250, 150. So basically this platform has a lot of money making opportunities. All you need to do is simply
Just sign up is the link in the video description. Now let me take you over and show you more information about their bonuses. As you can already see some good payouts out here, which shows you that this is a great opportunity for you to also make money.
Every new update that they have, you can see they brought this promo about 5 days ago where they pay you extra commission for just bringing people to the platform. And over here is settings. Now this way you are going to set your information. You can see my name, your email address, security. Here is where you are going to do your security. I always advise that what you set your 2FA authentication. In this way, whenever someone wants to access your account, they need to confirm their 2FA before they actually proceed. And when you want to make withdrawals as well. Now over here is payment. This way you're actually going to set your payment details, and in order to include your payment details, so your withdrawal, you can actually withdraw your profit that you've made on this platform. All you need to do is simply click on where it says add wallet. Now over here you can select which wallet you want to. If you want to go with crypto, you select crypto, and you can see that what they are telling you the commissions involved. If you are withdrawing through TRC20, there's going to be a high transaction fee, you can see. And you can come over here, you have BEP20. Now this one doesn't have high transaction fee, that's why it's green. Anyone that is green know that what their transaction fee are way lower than the rest. You can see the only one is TRC20 here that has high transaction fee. So all of them are USDT address in order to make withdrawal simple and keep your profit intact. So this are you over here. Now once you said this, then you paste in your wallet address here and you click on submit, and you're good to go. Now over here you can also switch to bank in case you don't do crypto, you want to receive bank transfer. Same here. Over here just select bank and then upload identity. Now they need to verify your identity when it comes to doing bank transfer, so you upload the front of your ID and then the back of your ID as well for security purposes. Then you enter your bank full name, the full name that you have on your bank, the routing number, the account holder's name. Okay, here is the bank name and then here is your account holder name. Then the Swift code here, they say it's optional, but I will advise you actually include your Swift code to make work easier for you. Now you can come over here to browse AdBird to see more information about them. Now let me just go back. Now in case you need support, which is something very important, because when you are using any platform, the most important thing is actually getting active support whenever you need support, and AdBird also gives you this as well. All you need to do is simply just click on here, and then they have a special support system on WhatsApp that can actually attend to you. So guys, this is basically how you get to this is basically all about AdBird. So if you are looking for an easier way to actually make money on the internet and you don't want to do much stress, then just sign up to AdBird, get their link, and then join Facebook communities. Or if you have a Telegram community with a lot of audience, maybe you have a Telegram community where you post music, videos, movies, all those things. If you own all those Telegram community that has a lot of members, where you just copy this link and then post it inside the group, and whenever someone clicks on it, you make money as easy as that. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. So in case you're interested in using AdBird, just click on the link that's available in the video description. This is a very pretty much an easy way to actually make money off this platform just by promoting the link. So guys, see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.